Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Let's go. Today I'm going to show you how to reverse the car. First of all, make sure your side mirrors are open. See, we have an obstruction there. We have stairs on that side too. So first of all, put the car in reverse. Hold the handbrake. And since we have an obstruction on that side, I need to turn the steering wheel the opposite way to avoid that obstruction, but also minding this one. So just there, and over slowly. See, now it's clear. Then we also look at the other side. Now bring the wheel straight or level and then go back slowly. So with reversing, it's simple. It's just like going forward. If you want to go to the right, you turn the wheel to the right. If you want to go to the left, turn the wheel to the left. You also have a gate. Which I should be able to clear easily. I can just move forward a little bit. I think I should let you guys see the stress in my face, man. This thing is hard. Anyway, it's not hard. Whoa. I almost killed you guys. Yeah, okay. I think there is a stone obstructing me, so I need to go and remove it. Should I go or just go over it? Just go and remove it. So now I've removed the obstruction, which was a stone. Now let's try again. Come on, I'm just killing you guys. Fuck. One more time. Goodbye. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Victor Gatobu. I bring you videos about driving and road trips. And today we are going on a short road trip from where I live to where I work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, look at these guys. It rained. So like you can see, it rained. And let's see if this guy is going to pass the off-road test. Hopefully I'm not going to get stuck. Hopefully I won't get stuck. So just take it easy. Just take it easy, 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 easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Am I really going to make this? I think I should just... Oh. Should just pass by that side. Because this side is very, very bad. So yeah. So see, that side is very, very bad. I would have gotten stuck. There's a guy coming, let him pass. There's another guy coming. Usonge baba. This guy was blocking me. Dang. Need to check the car and see if it's okay. So the Toyota Vitz passes the off-road test. That was crazy.